ActiveCampaign SMS Campaign. We're going to set up an automation that relies on site tracking being installed, somebody clicking a link from a campaign, and then an automation that starts when somebody visits a page that detects the device and if a person has a phone number in their contact record. So let's dive right in. So inside my ActiveCampaign account, I want to create an automation that looks like this. So it's triggered by somebody visiting a page or pages on my site, and I've got it set to occur multiple times. You may not want to do that. If you do, there's some safety features you can build in. But here's kind of the kicker. This if statement, the very first thing that occurs is it checks, did they visit a page while using a mobile and phone number is not. So if you look at this, it just says, is it visiting the device is mobile? And then we want an and statement, phone number is not. What? Not what? Empty. So in other words, they actually have a phone number. So what we can do here is send them down this path, and I put this wait state in there just to kind of show you somebody showing up there. And then we know they've got a mobile, we know they've got a phone number, and they recently clicked on a page on our site. So you could follow up, let's say it's a shopping cart abandonment, and offer them a coupon or something on their mobile device via SMS. And then I built in some other if conditions, so we know that if they don't meet this, let's just check if they're on mobile. Okay, if they are, we can do something here. Next check might be, are they on a tablet? Great, they're on here. If not, that means they're on a desktop. So we know that desktop, tablet, mobile without a number, mobile with a number. And the key is right here, is to make sure that you've got this and phone number is not empty. So I sent myself an email and I've opened it on the desktop, but I'm going to go ahead and open it on the mobile device. And let's make sure I get put down somewhere over here, and I should end up right here. So let me get into my phone, which you're not going to be able to see. I'm going to open. So just a few seconds ago I opened that. I'm going to go down and click the link. I just clicked the link, and so let's check right there. So I click the link. Now if I go into here and I refresh this, I want to see where I'm at. So there's been a few visits here. So let me go check in here, and I'm looking for my Gmail email address. I'm not in there, so that's good because I don't have an SMS number right now. If I go over to here, there's 3 occurrences there, and one of them is my Gmail address. So that is working. Now let's go back and change this to have a phone number. Now, one thing to note is you really do need to have the country code prefix, and that can be problematic getting that. So now that I've got that, I am going to visit the same page from the mobile device, which I'm loading up right now. There, I've done that. So if I refresh, there should be a 3rd here. This should still say 3. So let's make sure now I'm in the right channel, and I am. So there's 3 and 3. So it looks like it's working properly. So there I am because I do have a mobile phone number. So that's how you can set up an ActiveCampaign SMS campaign that will send or identify people that have a mobile device and just recently visited a page of yours.